Generally, when it comes to essay writing, people use this as a template for the introduction, especially in English proficiency exams. Nowadays, in this modern world, in this advanced world, in this modern era, and so on, it is usually a safe game, but it is not appealing, right? So here I'm going to take a sample question and just I'm going to construct an introduction in such a way that it is appealing as well as really engaging to enhance your proficiency in your English language. Now over here, before I begin, I'm going to paraphrase 2 to 4 keywords from minimum to maximum level, then construct it. Shall we begin? Here we go. Now this is the question.
Boys are most influenced by their fathers and girls are most influenced by their mothers. Do you agree or disagree? Now over here I have given the serial number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is for gender. When I indicate gender, boys and girls are paraphrased as gender. The 2 as impact, again the paraphrase word for influenced. Number 3, parents, that is fathers and mothers, as well as the gender, right, male and female. And child, obviously boys and girls, the 4, right? So that's how it goes. So the gender, impact, parents and child are the paraphrase words. Okay, now I'm going to choose any one of those keywords to start off the essay. That itself is a rich start. Okay, now I'll take the word gender to start. The gender of a child, again the 4th keyword, right, plays a pivotal role in creating an impact, again the 3rd keyword. Okay, the gender of a child plays a pivotal role in creating impact for a parent to groom that particular child accordingly. Now, groom is the 5th paraphrased word that will come as the sentence flows. The remaining 2 or 3 sentences you can use any form of simple language but in a proficient manner to construct the introduction properly. I hope this simple tip helps all of you to construct the eye opener of an essay properly and to get a minimum of band 8 to a maximum of band 9 in IELTS writing, especially in essay. Thank you guys.